Saudi Arabian charity significantly supports international relief work. The King Salman Humanitarian Aid and Relief Center, or KS Relief, has contributed relief and development assistance worth almost $2 billion since its establishment in 2015, including 492 developmental programs in 37 countries. The organization has joined with 125 partners in delivering much-needed help to people in need, especially in Yemen and Syria. Among the total contributions, food security and healthcare aid add up to approximately $2 billion in almost 300 different projects. Our hearts are happy upon hearing about your generous compassion. The King Salman Humanitarian Aid and Relief Center. May all nations work together and support each other in taking care of those in need of assistance. In Allah's blessings.
China promotes gender equality. Statistics released by the China's National Bureau of Statistics show that women in the country constituted more than 43.1% of the workforce in 2016, with approximately 25% of the country's entrepreneurs being women. Furthermore, the 13th National People's Congress, starting in 2018, has an unprecedented almost 25% female deputies. In the field of education, women are also making significant gains. In 2016, over half of postgraduates and more than 52% of undergraduates were female. In addition, women's health has also seen improvements, with a more than 10% gain in maternal survival rate between 2010 and 2017. Cheers and congratulations, China, on your advancement of gender equality. May all your fine citizens uplift your country and the world with their boundless talents and aspirations.
London restaurants trying seaweed-based packaging to replace plastic. A trial of seaweed-based compostable packaging for sauces is to take place in 10 London, United Kingdom restaurants and will replace around 40,000 plastic sachets. Just Eat, a UK-based online food delivery service linking restaurants to consumers, has partnered with UK-based sustainable packaging company Skipping Rocks Lab to trial their eco-friendly sauce sachets. A trial was already successfully conducted over the summer and replaced more than 6,000 sachets with biodegradable ones. If the success continues, the new sauce sachets could help to replace some of the 11 billion plastic sauce sachets sold globally each year. Our warmest appreciation, Skipping Rocks Lab and Just Eat, on your innovative green endeavor. May your trials continue to be a success and your new seaweed packaging expand globally.
Large-scale wind farms are likely to reduce hurricane rainfall. Recent scientific research conducted using hypothetical turbines found a 30% reduction of precipitation in hurricanes that had earlier passed through wind farms. The study was led by Dr. Christina Archer, Professor of College of Earth, Ocean and Environment at the University of Delaware, United States. Professor Archer explained, the more wind farms you have, the more impact they will have on a hurricane. By the time a hurricane actually makes landfall, these array of turbines have been operating for days and days, extracting energy and moisture out of the storm. As a result, the storm will be weaker. Many thanks, Professor Christina Archer and fellow researchers, for your fascinating study. May we continue to learn more benefits of the various sources of clean energy.
Mozambique promotes climate change resilience. Mozambique government recently launched a $50 million local climate adaptive living or local program to help participating districts in Mozambique enhance food and nutrition security, support sustainable management of natural resources, and improve the climate resilience of local communities. The initiative, which will be in effect until 2023, is being funded by $13 million from the Swedish Embassy in Mozambique and $2 million from the Belgian Development Cooperation and the United Nations Capital Development Fund. Your promising local climate adaptive living program is such encouraging news. Mozambique Many thanks Swedish Embassy, Belgian Development Cooperation, and the United Nations Capital Development Fund for your generous support of local. May all governments take every effective measure possible to mitigate climate change, starting with promoting the low-emissions vegan diet.
Australian powerlifter fuels her record-setting journey through a vegan diet. 62-year-young vegan powerlifter Glenda Prasuti recently won the Open 64-kilogram weight class competition in Brisbane, Australia, in which women of any age could enter. She also achieved 3 national records at the event. The acclaimed athlete went vegan in 2016 after finding out about the appalling cruelty to animals in the agricultural industry. Since then, Miss Prasuti has surpassed 7 records in 3 competitions, while also becoming an enthusiastic advocate for animal rights. Her Power Strong diet consists of a lot of in-season fresh fruit and vegetables, vegan protein, and plant-based omega-3. You're awesome, Glenda Prasuti. Congratulations on your latest record-setting accomplishments, and thanks for showing the strength of compassion. May your athletic successes continue as you inspire many to transition to the vegan diet of kindness. Heaven bless you.
Cockatoos amaze scientists with their intelligence. Researchers from the University of Veterinary Medicine Vienna's Golfing Lab in Austria conducted an intelligence test on Golfing's cockatoos and discovered they are able to make tools for themselves to retrieve food. In the study, a piece of cardboard was placed in front of a clear box with a small hole in it, which contained food on a stand. In order to reach into the box, the cockatoos tore a piece of cardboard into the correct shape to enable them to knock the food off its stand. This allowed the treat to roll towards the front of the box. Thank you for giving further proof of the high intelligence of our avian friends. University of Veterinary Medicine, Vienna's Golfing Lab. May we continue learning of the many abilities of our benevolent animal co-inhabitants who bless us every day with their love and well-wishing, and may heaven protect this amazing species.